We're gonna continue up. I love it. It's the university. Huge university town. They even have breakfast just for students. I like it. Let's go to the top. Why not? Let's get some cardio. Alright. Ooh, we're getting closer. Museum of the town of Guanajuato is there. Is this the university? This is incredible. Wow. $1560. That's some time ago. Whew. More colorful buildings. Very cool university. Oh, that's where we were before. Center Church. We're gonna make our way north towards our right. Ah, there's a mirador. Ah, let's find a way up there. My foot. I think you could take like a funicular, kind of a cable car. Not a cable car. It's by tracks on the ground. Ferrocarril. But I'm gonna walk it. It's more fun. Let's see. Left side, shady side. There's Casa Frida. Oh, this is La Paz, where we started. I see, now I'm getting the lay of the land. Maybe taco fresa. Just gonna attack.
¿Información?
Sí, ahorita. Gracias. Aquí todos los días.
¿Son paseos turísticos?
Ah, claro. A ver.
A las momias, allá al Pípila, el número 1.
Ah, sí.
150. Ruta de la Independencia, 8 horas.
3 horas, 8.
Cerro del Cubilete y en la noche la calle Juniada.
3 y 8. Ah, gracias. Cool. There's some good tours. One's for 150 pesos for 3 hours. I like that. Others 8 hours. I'll consider it, but for some reason I just like to walk around randomly. Get the wonder out of the excitement. And then once I go to general field, I'll take a tour. Oh no, actually I've done both. I've done where I do a tour, first thing, and then I've done where I just wander. And I like... Man, there's so many nooks and crannies here. I love it. I can go down there, totally different way. Here, totally different way. Okay, where to go? Right side, sombrero side. Sombra. Sombra side. Cositos Ostamendi. Casa del Rector. Lots of boutique hotels here. But I did find a hostel, Casa Frida. That was 300 for private. Another tunnel. That's cool. 9 inches. Muchos. Casa Diego. What's the name of the house? I think for lunch I'll do the market. Mercado Hidalgo. Mercado Hidalgo. Oh, I need to try enchiladas mineras. Some people say they're awesome. Some people say they're not so nice. You know what? Nice. Falta. Otra. That's so cool. Three one seven. Yeah. Architects. Antiguo vapor. Wow. step. So I don't know. I wonder what that is. That is a significant building. Let's go check it out. And then we'll go back. Ooh, maybe it's the Mercado Hidalgo. I think so. Lots of architects here. It's like the second or third building I've seen. Good job. Dang, look at that. Just the backdrop of all the buildings and the hills, all the colors. It's pretty cool. It's a big valley, canyon. Pesos an hour. Oh, this is a gigantic market. Okay. Check it out. Monday to Saturday we have mass 8, noon, 7. Domingos they go ham. This is kind of a Renaissance Baroque mix. Las 12. Let's check out this market real quick. Golly. That is what they do. Guacamaya. Get a guacamaya.